everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm Swatha. This video, I would like to tell my story regarding today. I have event marketing of NT broadband internet, and uh, I have a brochure package of promotion of NT broadband internet. Okay, and I go to target of my customer, my new customer. Okay, and I don't know how to say. I send my information of brochure to my new customer. Okay, target of my customer. I hope my customer will installation NT broadband internet in the as soon no in the future, as soon. Okay, as soon as possible. Okay, I hope it okay I tell my story for everyone enough. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Goodbye. Bye.